This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. It's time to make a splash into a great neighborhood. Enjoy the fun of your own heated pool this summer and almost half-acre lot. This well-cared for 3-bedroom/2 full-bath ranch home offers an open floor plan with hardwood floors, updated kitchen and baths and a corner fireplace. Move-in ready. New vapor barrier in the crawl space and new air conditioner installed 2019. For more information, review the details below.